Good morning, children. Today we'll start with exercise 14.5, question number 1. See the question. The radius of two concentric circle. Concentric circle means one circle inside the another circle are 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. Find the area of the circular path between the two circle. We have to draw a figure, then we can do this question. Just see. As it is said concentric circle, therefore you have to draw two radius. In the question it was said of one 9 centimeter and the another of 12 centimeter. You make a center as O. Now, two radius is given. This is inner radius and this is outer radius. We will write as outer radius equal R1. Outer radius R1, that is 12 centimeter. Then inner radius, that we will take as R2, that is 9 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this circular path. How to find out? Area of circular path equal area of big circle minus area of small circle. Area of big circle minus area of small circle. Now, what is the formula of area? That is pi r square. What is the radius of the outer circle? We have taken r1, that is r1 square minus pi r2 square. Is this step clear? Now, both the case, what is common? Pi is common. So, r1 square minus r2 square. Now, put the value. The value of pi 22/7. If it is given in the question, what pi value you have to take that. Otherwise, you take value of pi is 22/7. Then value of r1 and r2. Value of r1 is 12 square minus value of r2 is 9 square. That means it is 22/7. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Its identity is a plus b, a minus b. That means 22/7 multiply. Nothing sign means multiply. 12 plus 9, that is 21. Nothing sign means multiply. Again 12 minus 9, that is 3. Now cancel with the table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 3 is 21. What is left? 22 into 3 into 3. That is 198 square centimeter. The unit is centimeter, so it is square centimeter. Now see the second question. The area of circle is 616 centimeters square. There is a 2 meter wide road on its edge. What will be the area of that road? We have to find the area of the road. First we have to draw a figure as same according to the question. The area of the road we have to find, but the width of the road is given, it is 2 meter. We will take same the outer radius, yes, r1 and inner radius r2. We will take it, let outer radius equal r1 and inner radius equal r2. Now what is given? That is area is given. From there we can find the inner radius. So what is the formula of area of circle? Area of circle equal pi r square. We are finding the value of the inside one, that is r2. That means in the next step that you have to write pi r2 square. What is the value of the area of circle? It is given 616. Is it clear? Now put the value of pi. 616 equal 22/7 into r square. Now cross multiply it. 616 multiply 7 whole upon 22 equal r square. Is this step clear? Now cancel it with the table of 22. 22 ones are 22, 22, 28s are, that is 616. So what we got, that is r square equal 28 into 7. You have learned in the square root how to find out the square root. Then r square equal 28, we can write 4 into 7 into 7. This 4 also we can write 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So r equal under root 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 7. Now with the pair 2 and 7, that is 2 multiply 7, that is 14. The unit of is meter. The radius of R2, that is 14 meter. Now what it is given? The width of the circle is given. So we can find the outer radius. Outer radius. What is outer radius? Outer radius is, we have taken as R1. So what is the formula? That is R1 equal R2 plus width. What is R2? That is 14 plus 2, that is 16 meter. So again the same formula of the concentric circle. Area of circular path equal area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. What is the formula? Pi r1 square minus pi r2 square. Here pi is common, so r1 square minus r2 square. Pi value of pi is 22 upon 7. What is the value of r1 and r2 we got? R1 we got, it is 16, 16 square minus value of R2 is 14, 14 square. Now again it is in the form of a square minus b square. You can write it in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Now that is 22 upon 7. Now you plus it. What is sign here? Nothing means multiply. 16 plus 14, that is 30, multiply 16 minus 14 is 2. Now you multiplied 22 into 2, that is 44 into 30 whole upon 7. Now you multiply 44 into 30. 44 into 30 is 1320 upon 7. Now we have to divide 1320 with 7. If you divide, you will get 188.57 square meter. Is it clear? See the third question. The radius of a circular cricket ground is 60 meter. Around the ground, a 7 meter circular gallery is to be built for spectators. What will be its area? We have to find the area of the gallery. First we have to draw a figure and then we can find the area. This is the ground. After that, 7 meter, a gallery of circular is made for the spectator to sit and watch what is going on in the field. The inner radius is given 60 meter and the width is given. We have to find the outer radius. How to find the outer radius? We can add this width with the inner radius, then we can get the outer radius. So inner radius we take as R2, that is equal to 60 meter, it is given. Outer radius, how to find out R1? R2 plus width. R2 plus width. What is the width? R2 is 60 plus width is 7. That means 60 plus 7, that is 67 meter. Now we have to find the area of circular gallery. That is area of big circle minus area of small circle. Same formula. Pi r1 square minus pi r2 square. Pi is common for both the case. R1 square minus R2 square. Now put the value pi. The value of R1, that is 67 square, minus the value of R2 is 60 square. Till this step, is it clear? Now put the value of pi. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. Again it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. Now 22 upon 7 multiply 67 plus 60, that is 127, multiply 67 minus 60, that is 7. Cancel the 7 and 7. Multiply 22 with 127, you will get 2794 meter square or square meter. Is it clear?